In front of me is VIVO V30 and today I would like to show you how you can set up a block. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security. Then scroll down again to choose Privacy and App Encryption. Hit Passwords options, select one of those login methods and enter the perfect one for you. Repeat it to confirm it. Answer security questions and hit Next. Add your email or hit Add Later. Finally, hit App Encryption and use gray sweaters next to your apps you wish to lock. Go back and tap on the chosen one to check it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!